Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting exploration of the English language. Today's word is cloud. It's an A2 level noun, meaning visible vapor mass. So, what exactly is a cloud? In its simplest form, a cloud is a visible collection of tiny water droplets or ice crystals suspended in the air. We see them floating in the sky almost every day, and they play a crucial role in our weather. You can say, "Look at that fluffy cloud," or "The sky is full of clouds today." It's a very common and useful word. Let's explore some synonyms for cloud. A good synonym for cloud, particularly when referring to something that obscures or darkens, is haze. For example, instead of saying a cloud of smoke filled the room, you could say a haze of smoke filled the room. Another synonym is mist. While often used to describe ground-level vapor, mist can sometimes be interchangeable with cloud depending on the context. For instance, you might say the mountain peak was shrouded in mist, which is similar to saying the mountain peak was shrouded in clouds. Another synonym, albeit less common, is nebula. While technically referring to interstellar clouds, it shares the concept of a diffused mass of particles. You could say, the astronomer observed a distant nebula through his telescope. Now, let's look at some antonyms. Since a cloud represents something obscuring, an antonym would be something clear or unobstructed. A strong antonym is sunshine. Where there are clouds, there is less sunshine. For instance, the sunshine broke through the clouds after the rain. Another antonym is clearness. If the sky lacks clouds, it has clearness. You could say, the clearness of the sky made it perfect for stargazing. Another antonym could be brightness. Clouds often block or dim the brightness of the sun. So, the brightness of the day was reduced by the passing clouds. How can we use cloud in everyday life? Well, very often we say things like, "I'm under a cloud," meaning you feel sad or depressed. Or, "Every cloud has a silver lining," meaning that even in bad situations, there's always something good to be found. You might also hear someone say they are walking on clouds, which means they are very happy. Here are a few more usage examples. The airplane flew above the clouds. The artist painted a beautiful picture of the clouds at sunset. The rain clouds gathered overhead, threatening a downpour. The company's future is clouded by uncertainty. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular. Cloud storage allows you to access your files from anywhere. Another phrase you might hear is cloud nine, meaning a state of perfect happiness. You could say, "She was on cloud nine after getting the job." Or, "His proposal left her floating on cloud nine." Remember, a cloud is a visible vapor mass, but the word can also be used metaphorically. Think about how you can use cloud in your own conversations. To recap, today we learned about the word cloud, an A2 level noun meaning visible vapor mass. We discussed synonyms like haze, mist, and nebula, and antonyms like sunshine, clearness, and brightness. We also explored how cloud is used in everyday expressions and provided several examples. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Now, I have a challenge for you. Try to create your own sentence using the word cloud and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy learning.